dat die staat wel daarin geslaag het.
The state has succeeded to prove the accused guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The accused is guilty of both charges, namely rape and murder.
On the eve of what would have been Anene Booysen's 18th birthday, these words end the 8-month-long murder case. Johannes Kana is now a convicted rapist and murderer. Johannes Kana listened intently as Judge Patricia Goliath rehashed gruesome details of the state Anene Booysen was found in. She recalled doctors' testimony that Anene's injuries were among the most brutal they've encountered and how she died of multiple organ failure as a result. It's ultimately their testimony that secured Kana's conviction. Goliath lauded the state for presenting a solid case against Kana, but she did have some harsh words for police who she says acted irresponsibly by failing to inform Kana of his rights and that any evidence he'd pointed out would be used against him. The state has welcomed the ruling.
Justice has been served for Anene Booysen. We are pleased and happy that the court came to the decision of finding him guilty of both the rape and murder. We are sure that wherever she is smiling because this is the best present she would have liked as she would have been celebrating her 18th birthday tomorrow.
Kana's lawyer says the verdict is disappointing but fair.
We feel sad, but like I said, it's both for the victim and for the convicted. I must say now, he's not an accused anymore. But I do have to add that I think the judgment was very good. I can't find any fault with it.
While Kana's family sympathize with Anene's loved ones, they feel there is more to be revealed and that Kana should not have been tried alone.
What the police must done, they must done their job good and clean. Zwaai, there's not one zwaai, there's a lot of zwaais.
Jonathan Davids, who is also known as Zwaai, was let off the hook earlier this year when the NPA found there wasn't sufficient evidence to convict him. It's believed Booysen mentioned his nickname on a deathbed. Davids believed Booysen named him so that he could help police nab the perpetrator. Kana is expected to be back in the dock for his sentencing. Leigh-Anne Jansen, Swellendam Circuit Court.
News that moves. eNCA.com.